up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Always like to hear from you guys, so if you like the videos, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and tell me what other things you'd like to see on the channel. Today we're gonna continue off of doing the oil change on the Q3, and we're gonna be doing a little modification. It might be a little cheesy to some people, but we saw it on the newer ones and we thought it'd be kind of cool to replicate it on the 2015 Q3, which is when you open the door and in the puddle light you'll see the Audi sign. Now, I got this off of Amazon for about 20 bucks, so I mean, it's 20 bucks, whatever. If it looks cool, great. If it doesn't, I only lost 20 bucks. So with this, it should be a really quick install. Literally, you should just need a flathead screwdriver or some sort of prying tool just to get the old one out and to plug the new one in. And let's get to it and see how easy it is or how hard it is and if it works on this car. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we have the puddle light. Here's the new one, and you can see it has the little like projector in it. It's supposed to be able to be moved, I believe, but let's see. Let's plug it in. Let's first get this puddle light out. There should be a little indent somewhere on this where we can pop it out. I think this is it. Alright guys, so once you get the connection out, there's a little tab, you press it down and it disconnects it from the stock bulb. This is what the stock bulb looks like. That's a connector over there. The connector on this and the new one are a little different, so they add this piece to connect the two together. So you plug that into one side with the two prongs. That's going to go into the Audi stock plug, and then you're going to take this one and slide it over the connectors in here. And that's pretty much it, you know. As you can see, it shows the Audi symbol. I don't know if you can see that right there, which is kind of cool. And all you have to do is then push this up into the door. Make sure it doesn't get caught on anything. And that's it. And we just need to replicate this and on all the other doors. But let's turn the lights off and see how it looks once the lights are off. Alright guys, so we got all the lights off. Let's open the door and see what it looks like. And there you have it. That's what it's going to look like when you open the door. You got the Audi rings with the Audi spelt out, which is kind of cool. Tell me what you guys think, alright? Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and keep wrenching.